This is our 2013 Navion with 108,000 miles on it. Driving home through Wyoming last week, we lost power. The check engine light came on, and I travel with a code checker, and using the code checker determined that there was a leak in the intercooler hose. So there are no Mercedes dealers anywhere in Wyoming, nor was there anybody that had an intercooler hose or could repair it. So we limped 400 miles home with the flashers on. When I got home, I called Mercedes and told them I needed a new intercooler hose. And they said it'd be 2 weeks out for service. They were backed up. I asked them about the cost, and the service rep told me $388 for the intercooler hose and $235 for labor. So I decided to do a little exploring. I'm not a mechanic, but I'm handy. And I found an intercooler hose on Amazon. Let me go in the sun here. I bought this intercooler hose on Amazon for $65. It's supplied by a German company. As you can see, the hose has a bayonet mount on each end, and to install it, it doesn't take any other tool than a screwdriver. So this is the $388 intercooler hose for $65. Let's go under the car or under the Sprinter and see what's involved in swapping it out. It's right there. The intercooler hose is under the driver's side. It's the first thing you see when you get under the vehicle, under the front bumper there. So let's take a look. I'll do my best to kind of show the whole process here. Okay, so now we're underneath the car. See, there's the front wheel. We're underneath the car, and there is the hose. There's one end of it and the clamp. And there's the other end, the bayonet, and there's the hole. So what you need, let me grab the screwdriver. I'm just gonna grab the screwdriver, and to replace it, you just pop this clip off here. I'll try to do it with one hand. There's the clip. You want to save this. This didn't come with the, a new clip didn't come with the, with the intercooler hose. There's one end, and this just comes out. And then this one is going to be a little trickier, I think. And I might be able to do it with one hand. Let me try. I think I need two hands for this. Okay, so I unclip the other end. There's the other end. And this just comes out. So there's that bayonet mount, and there's that bayonet mount. And here's, let's see if I can see that. Here's the new hose. Can you see that? And that just pops on there, I believe. Maybe I need two hands for this too. Let's see. Try it one. Yep, there we go, clipped on. And then this just goes up in here. Can you see that? So it just fits right in that little spot there. Can you see that? And let me find the bayonet, the other clip here. Okay, here's the clip. And I don't know if I can do this with one hand. But it slides in here. And I need two hands, hang on. Okay, that clipped in place. That clipped in place, and that's what $235 worth of labor looks like. And I've got a new intercooler hose.